Going on YouTube? It's time for my full stash. I'll start with the goodie bag here. I got these two. What's left of a bunch of assortments I have. There's that. There's another assortment down here. As you can see, there's some TNT stuff in there too. And then I got 1,000 roll. I got most of a brick of 200 strips. Some Whistling Moon Travelers. Huge babies. 2 packs of the Dragonflies. Little ground salutes. Loud as hell. I'll get into the goodie bag here. Here's some single shots. I took apart one of my super fruit cakes. I made single shots. I got a little over half a pack of the Hulk crackers. Got 3 more packs of these smoke balls. 1 more pack of the Buzz Bangs. A box of the Thunder Snaps. A Ziploc bag of firecrackers. Whatever's left of these ghost crackers. I got a full thing of bunny ears. I got more bunny ears in here. Whatever's left of these Ghostbuster crackers. Jumbo crackling balls. 3 packs of the Fat Boy Snaps. They're like the red snappers. These are the loudest ones that I've had though, those Fat Boy Snaps. Let's see. I got 4 more bunny ears, and that's a jumping jacks in there. Almost a full pack of these Neon Vipers. It's a Unicorn M1000. Got more shit in here. There's another Hulk cracker. I got a bunch of these zips. I'm not gonna pull them all out. I got 1, 2, 3 boxes of the red and greens. I had a lot of stuff this year. I didn't even realize until I pulled it all out. I got 3 packs of Bang Bangs. A pack of the Albi Backs. These ones are the Hammer. Let me set this down for a second here. These are my shells. That's all Night Wings. These are all Dog Won't Stop Barking. Vibraniums. There's some other shit down there. It's buried. Some double plays. Let's see, I have a list here. I got 48 Night Wings, 5 Don't Panics, 4 Zombie Hunters, 10 double plays, 14 Vibraniums, 36 dog shells. And I got all those right there. That's not on the list. Rockets next. I got a pack and a half of the Howling Witch, a pack of the Reapers, a pack of the Welcome to the Sky, almost a full pack of Light Years, full pack of the Atomic Explosions, a pack and a half of Lunatics, pack of Radioactives, 2 packs of these Cyber Sky Freaks. I already lit 1 off, so there's only 3 in there total. 2 of these strobes, the big strobes. I got a full LA Heist assortment. I haven't even opened that one up yet. And I got the rest of this one. I've been lighting stuff out of here. We'll get into the cakes and stuff now. I got 2 of these 20-inch Magnum fountains. These things are sick, man. Like 30 feet in the air, 35 feet. I got 4 of these evil 9-shot cakes. 2 of these battle royales, 16 shots. I got 3 more super fruits, a jaw dropper, huckleberry, golden king, time bomb. What's this one called? Smoked out. It's daytime cake. Smoked salute. Jose, can you see? Trump, I'll be back. This is a 36 shot one though. Everybody's got the 25s. I picked up these 36s. I got a Red Dawn, Cock-a-doodle-doo, Fire Sale, Minion War, Jailbird. Get into the next row here. Beware of Dog, that's a great one. MF Boom, Santa Baby, that's Zeppelin, Dream Keeper, Wizard Pro 225 shot salute, Ham It Up, Donald Trump's America. We'll get into the big boys now. I got a case of the Smokey and Sally. So there's 2 cakes in here. 100 shot smoke to salute. These are fucking sick. Porky. Porky. West Coast versus East Coast. This is my heaviest cake. This shit's like 60, 65 pounds. It's fucking ridiculous. 2-inch bore, 72 shot cake. This one is a Tiki Land, 192 shot. This is the original version. The slow one, not the fast one. No salutes in this one. I like the OG version more anyways. Next up, Golden Rabbit, compound cake. What's this one? Desert at Night, 128 shot. The whole shebang. Dog's World. And then last up, Master Night. It's a 2024 stash. I'm just gonna start getting everything ready because I live upstairs, so I'm gonna have to take all this shit downstairs. How many 1-1s is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1-1s this year. I'll be posting all the demos after the 4th of all the stuff, so I'll be posting content for a few months at least. I'm gonna see if I can light all this off, but I don't know. We'll see if the cops come. That's it. That's the 2024 stash right there.